Today, I'm going to answer a common question. How early can I apply for Social Security benefits before my first payment? By the end of this video, you'll not only know the answer to that question, but you'll also understand how your full retirement age impacts how much money you actually get. Before you determine which month you're actually going to apply to receive your benefits, you need to understand what your full retirement age is and how it impacts the benefits you receive. So in this example, we have a chart here of someone who has a full retirement age of 67. So that means when they turn 67 years old, they will receive 100% of their benefit. So according to this graph, that amount is $2,000 every single month. So I want you to notice that if you decide to claim your benefits before your full retirement age, you're going to get a reduced amount. This person would actually get $1,400 if they claim at age 62. And the longer you wait, the more benefits you will receive. So if this person waits until they turn 70 years old, they're going to actually receive $2,480. In one of my previous videos, I showed you a chart to help you figure out your full retirement age. Now I'm actually going to show you a really cool tool on the Social Security website that helps you figure out your full retirement age much faster. Okay, so the way this website works is what you're going to do is put in your date of birth. So I'm going to pretend that the person's date of birth is February 8th, and we'll select the year as 1960. Then it is going to show us our full retirement age is 67 years old, and that person will reach it in February of 2027. So that means this person would receive 100% of their Social Security benefits if they claim at this age. I'll leave the link to this site in the description of this video so you can figure out your full retirement age too. All right, here's the moment you've all been waiting for. We're going to keep the same example we've been working with. We have a person, they're born February 8th, 1960, and they know their full retirement age is in February of 2027. So we're going to say they want to get paid in March of 2027. So they are going to need to select that month, year 2027, and then they're going to see that they're able to get their first payment, of course, in March. They can apply anytime between October and February, and they're going to choose February 2027 as their enrollment month. I really wanted to take time to explain this because I met with one of my subscribers a couple days ago, and she was telling me that she applied for Social Security benefits way in advance. And so they gave her a call and they explained to her that her application was denied because she applied too soon. So she needs to actually reapply within that 4-month window. My name is Lamacca. I'm a registered Social Security analyst, and I'm here to help you understand all of the Social Security rules and also determine the best age for you to claim so that you and your family don't leave any money on the table. Now you know exactly what month to submit your application. The next step is to understand exactly how to complete your application online without making any mistakes. Here's the video where I explain how to do that.